Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download Google Slides templates for school projects. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just search for the Google Slides templates. So this is the Google Slides option. So there will be a template gallery. So once you click a template gallery, there is a personal and a work as well as the education related, the basic templates is available. So how to get more template to make my school project beautiful? What I have to do here? Simple and easiest tip I just want to share today. So just go to Google and just type Google Slides template. Once you type here, automatically the first and foremost link will be open here, like called Slides Go. So once you click a Slides Go options, there is a Google Slides templates will be available with a free. So you can create a different types of Google Slides template as you see here. So sign in with your Gmail account. That is, if you want, you can sign in with your Gmail account. So you can find out the slides case classes and everything will be there. You can choose according to your need. For example, templates will be available. You can choose a template like a school project or something else, and whatever you want you can give according to your need. So I just type a school project over here. So there are the school projects, kind of a cartoon and professional, what are the types of the things. So you can present your things. So for example, these are the free templates, these are the premium templates. So you can leave the premium template, you can choose a free templates and you can use. For example, I love this kind of template, or I love this kind of templates. I just click here and I can able to see and I can able to use this template. What you have to do here, so download this template will be there. You can choose like a Google slide or PowerPoint. I just want to choose a PowerPoint or Google Slides. Once I select the Google Slides option, automatically it will move into a Google slide. Make a copy so that the same templates will be added into my Google Slides, so that I can able to easily work of my project. See, for example, the how choose a topic of senior project. So I just change this one into my project work or slides, and I can give, and according to my needs I can give for example, a school, like that. I can choose and I can type whatever I want. So there are beautiful slides will be there, table of content and templates will be there. You can choose and you can access. See, these are the beautiful slides with the images also will be available. So you can choose and add the section over there. So there are totally around 54 and 56 slides will be there with the different types of templates. So you can choose according to your need and access your beautiful PowerPoint or Google Slides and present to your clients as well as the classmates. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.